barbecue fam? Today we're going to be utilizing some leftover queso and stuffing them into some portobello mushrooms and cooking them on a pellet grill. Check this out. So if you have some leftover queso, which is not often, but if you do, and you got some portobello mushrooms, pull the caps, rinse these portobellos out, and you're gonna load these guys up, and I got a great recipe for queso right here. So you rinse and dry your portobellos, and then you're just gonna load them up very easy. So now that your portobellos are ready to go, get that pellet grill fired up, 325, going for about 20 to 25 minutes until these look beautiful and delicious. Oh, hell yeah. So when your pellet grill or any grill reaches the temp that you need, let's throw these guys on. You're cooking indirect if you're on like a charcoal, Weber, anything like that. You could do this on any grill. Let's load up this pellet grill, the Z Grill's 700D3. Rock and roll. Now I lowered the temp to 275. This can take a little bit longer, so add on an extra 5-10 minutes tops, but check it within 15 minutes to see where you're at. The oh so easy stuffed queso portobello mushroom. These are a little messy, but oh hell yeah, they smell amazing. We put that Uncle Steve's smoke bomb on top, which was also in the queso recipe. Oh yeah, check that out. Portobello mushrooms rock. Queso is always amazing. Let's put the two together. That is a winner all day long. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's killer, man. This was easy to make. The queso was easy to make. Guys, go out, make yourself some queso stuffed portobello mushrooms. Oh, you will not be disappointed. The only thing is, it's so damn hot outside. Holy. You probably sat these on a pan and set them in the sun and good to go.